Welcome to the Analyst Odyssey. I am Nkemchika Celestina, and here we make data simple. From Excel to SQL, Power BI to Python, I will guide you step by step on your data journey. Let's dive in. In today's class, I'll be talking about the types of data you must know as a data analyst. But first, let's explain the concept of data. What is data? Data refers to a raw facts, figures, or information for the purpose of analysis. Data could be a number, name, date. In fact, it could be anything. Data could be collected in different methods. It can be collected through primary and secondary methods. What is primary data? Primary data is when you source for this data yourself. For example, going to cargo.com and downloading a data set you want to work on. While secondary data is when you are being provided with the data to work with. Now, types of data. We have two types of data. We have qualitative data and quantitative data. What is qualitative data? Qualitative data is a descriptive data that cannot be measured in numbers but grouped into categories. Subtypes of qualitative data. We have two major subtypes of qualitative data, namely nominal data and ordinal data. What is nominal data? Nominal data, they are the type of data that has no nominal ranks, and you cannot perform calculations on them. That is categories without order. They are just there. All of them are equal. You cannot place one over the other. For example, we have gender. Under gender, we have male and female. They are both categorized as an example of gender. We also have colors like red, like blue, yellow, green, and so on. All these colors are categorized as a types of colors. One has no rank over the other. We also have car brands like Toyota, Honda, BMW. Just like the previous examples, you categorize all these as a type of car brands. One has no rank over the other. Now, we have ordinal data. What is ordinal data? They are similar to nominal data, but you can rank them, although you cannot perform calculations on. That is, categories with a meaningful rank or order, but it is measurable. Ordinal data and nominal data, they are similar, but the only noticeable difference is that while ordinal data is being ranked, nominal data cannot be ranked. Now let's see the examples of ordinal data. We have educational level. Under educational level, we have high school, bachelor's, master's, and PhD. That is to say that after a student might have finished high school, he or she moves to university so as to earn his or her bachelor's degrees, and after earning bachelor's degrees, you go ahead to earn master's degrees and PhD. Another example is satisfaction level. We have low, we have medium, and we also have high. Low, medium, and high, they are ranked. As we can see, high is greater than all of them. Now, moving to quantitative data, which is numerical data. This type of data is measurable, they are countable, and expressed in numbers. Subtypes of quantitative data. Number 1, discrete numeric data. They are whole numbers that can be counted. They are whole numbers without fractions and they can be counted. Example, we have numbers of students in a class. Counting the numbers of students in a class can generate us numbers like 25, 49, 70, 100. We also can count the numbers of cars parked in a garage. Number 4. Ratio numeric data. This type of data can contain any ratio, even 0. That is to say that this type of data can take any value within a range, including decimal. Unlike numeric data, discrete numeric data that doesn't have fraction in it, ratio numeric data can contain ratio, even 0. Example, we have height, which is 165.5, we also have weight, 70.2, and we can also have the price of a car amounting to 5,050,000 kobo. Then the final one, binary large object. These are structured and unstructured data. They are not used for analysis, but that doesn't mean that it cannot be used to drive an insight. For example, pictures, videos, and songs. That's it for today's data journey. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give this video a like, comment, subscribe to the Analyst Odyssey, and keep growing your data skills with me. Until next time, keep analyzing and keep exploring. Bye.